Hey guys, so this is going to be a vlog of me and this guy. Oh, I got your ass. And we're in Oak Mountain Park doing the, I'm zoomed in way too far. There we go. Doing the treetop trail. And this is going to be the first vlog for this new channel. So yeah, that's what this is.
Like instructions.
Yeah, he was talking though. So we're paddle boating, attempting to paddle boat right now. We're not getting very far.
I feel like we're doing like 150% energy. We're ourselves out.
Maybe we should have gotten.
I'm spending the whole marina for an hour.
Maybe we should have gotten, you know,
instructions.
Yeah.
God, my legs are hurting. You know what, let's just coast for a little bit.
Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Look how far we are from the dock. This is how far we have made it. So far.
It'd be funny if we got like a jacked up boat.
It would not be funny.
I guess if you want to go right, you turn the wheel right. Well, isn't that how it is driving?
It is. That is how it is. Just here, let me do it. Just stop. We're still not good. Hey guys, so I am still getting a hang of this vlogging thing. It's actually like 8:30 at night, and Jason has left, so I didn't vlog anymore for today. Basically, all we did was is you'll see that I have on different clothes. We changed clothes. Did a little shopping around the area, had dinner, and he has gone back home, so I'm sad. I'm sad when he's not here. He's the person that I was really hanging out with when I lived in the other city before I moved. I don't really know anybody in the city that I'm in now, so it's like I really enjoy my time with him when he comes, so kind of sad about that. Because I didn't vlog, this would be a super short video if I ended it now. So I think what I might do, today is Friday, I think I might just vlog my weekend, which it's supposed to storm, so I don't know how eventful it's going to be. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so I think that I'm just going to kind of make this like a weekend thing, and I may do that. I may try to do like weekend vlogs because that's really the only time that I do anything interesting. So if I'm gonna do a vlog, it's gonna be like on the weekend. So yeah, so yeah, I guess I'll just see you guys at some point tomorrow. Yeah, sorry for like the really crap lighting. My apartment's not the best lit up on a sunny day, and it's cloudy, like overcast outside, so not gonna happen. But I just got through recording one of my Stupid and the Beat videos, which will be up before this video is, so go check that out. And I'm just kind of chilling at the house on a cloudy Friday. I wanted to show you my shirt that I got from a natural hair group. natural hair show that I went to. Shout out to Natural Beauties for giving me this awesome t-shirt that I love very much. And just kind of hanging out with this guy who decided to start scratching himself when I put the camera on him because he's Kingston and that's what he does. But yeah, we're just gonna kind of hang out. You want the ball? You want the ball? Go ahead. Bring it here. What's the matter with you? Bring me the ball. Bring it. You were close. Give me that ball. Get the ball. Go get the ball, you weirdo. Go. Give me. Come here. Bring it to me. No, not you. The ball. No. Ball. Give me the ball. Must we do this? Okay. Alright. So that's okay. Alright. Okay. Good boy. Alright, okay. It's right here. You intercepted it. Look at you. This is basically what my Saturday is gonna look like. It's not as bad as like they were making it seem like it was gonna be the apocalypse today. And I don't even think it's rained, but it has been kind of overcast, and it just makes me not want to do anything. And so I'm glad me and Jason hung out yesterday instead of today, since this isn't the best of weather to, you know, really hang out in. So yeah, I'm just gonna play with him for a little while and probably edit that video, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Yeah, alright.